Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something special, the Blue Yeti USB microphone. It's one of the most popular mics for streamers, podcasters, and content creators. Let's take our time and unbox this together, guys. Okay, the box is open. Everything inside is packed securely. This is a good thing for sure, which means it's a proper item. Okay. Oh, that's the microphone right here. The Blue Yeti itself in a sleek black finish. We got a USB cable and some structures. The Blue Yeti feels solid and it's all metal. Cool smooth surface. It's heavy and pretty sturdy. Pivots pretty smoothly. You can position it any way you want for your best sound quality. And these are the controls starting from the front. There's the mute button. The mute button clicks softly but clearly, and you can tell right away, easy to mute. This is the volume knob, got good resistance and precision. Now on the back. All right, these are the pattern knobs. So I'm gonna start with the cardio mode, which is on this setting. Cardio mode is for yourself if you want to speak directly to the mic. Omnidirectional mode, this means it captures sound from all around. And bidirectional is right here. This is for interviews, front and back, if someone is sitting in front of you. And this is stereo mode for music or multi-purpose mode. You can adjust it smoothly. It's a great feature. You can adjust it anywhere, and how you can position it, tilt it up, down. It's versatile and easy to adjust. This definitely is easier to get it right to your face. The setup is easy. You just plug it in and you're good to go. No software, no complicated setup. You just pop this in and you're good. That's the Blue Yeti USB microphone. It's well built, easy to use, and sounds fantastic for sure. If you're looking to upgrade your audio, this mic is a solid choice for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, remember to like and comment and subscribe. Your next video is going to be a comparison between three mics, so I'll see you